When it comes to fresh air, the Levoit Smart True HEPA Air Purifier truly does it all. Let's get it set up. First, flip the air purifier over and remove the filter cover. Remove all plastic packaging from the filter. Then place the filter back into the air purifier and replace the filter cover. Now you can find the perfect spot to place your air purifier. Allow 15 inches of clearance on all sides. Once you plug in the air purifier and turn it on, you can switch between fan speeds by tapping the fan speed button. You can also set the air purifier to auto mode, which automatically adjusts the fan speed to keep your air quality pristine. With the PM2.5 display, you can view the amount of airborne particles detected by the laser dust sensor and view real-time air quality updates with the color-coded indicator rings. And if you're a sensitive sleeper, select sleep mode to turn off the display and use an extra quiet low fan speed. When filter life is low, the check filter indicator will glow red and you'll receive a notification in the VSync app. To replace the filter, unplug and flip the air purifier over. Remove the old filter and clean out any remaining dust with a vacuum hose. Place the new filter into the air purifier, replacing the cover. Plug in the air purifier and reset the check filter indicator by pressing the button for 3 seconds. Clean the outer pre-filter with a vacuum hose or soft brush. Cleaning the laser dust sensor is easy. Simply unplug the air purifier and use a vacuum hose over the sensor openings to clear out dust. Now you know the ins and outs of your smart air purifier. We hope you enjoy the fresh air. Levoit.